So we've got this Fidelity 2000 stacked up on the Amstrad 900 underneath, we're waiting for a chip for the LA1230 needs replacing. So let's go to a sensible channel away from the Nottingham racket. Make sure that's set right. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'm ready.
Oh, roger that, off we go then.
Roger Dodger. Now, which one's extension speaker?
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lake towards the end of it. Just passing
High,
the passing place.
low,
I'm sure to be passing
high.
what will be eventually, sometime, we never know, doggy daycare.
Roger on that, but you know what? They're laying the turf, aren't they? Well, it's not, they're growing it. It's because one of the farms around here grows turf.
Oh yeah, but they might be just growing it to sell it. You don't know they'll be leaving any.
I think it's all planned.
Roger, right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger, a little bit of background noise with that, sir, and I don't think it's noise from being far away, but there you go.
I'll listen to it on the, apart from the fact the ultrasonic cleaner's whirring in the background.
Roger.
Roger, a little bit of background noise with that, sir, and I don't think it's noise from being far away, but there you go.
I'll listen to it on the, apart from the fact the ultrasonic cleaner's whirring in the background.
Right, we're passing Ancaster service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. And I did go by it the other day, and I should have noted the price.
Well, 2 deer is the answer, isn't it?
Roger.
Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. A bit warmer today at 0.
Yeah, it's -2 yesterday, wasn't it?
It was.
It's been 4 degrees at its peak today.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner out Wilsford.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Fidelity CB2000 from 1981, which is a Cybernet 134 set. It's a full 4-watt output and I'm on standard replacement micro.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Well, you got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you loud and clear at the 5 mile point. One is Fidelity 2000 using the upper version of the Cybernet 134 chassis, so it's the same like the Red 40 or the Just 5 star, it also has that bigger speaker. So I'm going to go to low power, set 400 milliwatts, here we go, 54321, and there we are on low power, the radio down to 500 milliamps, we'll go back to full power, there we are back at 4 watts, where it is doing 1.1, throwing 1.17 amps to deliver a full 4 watt output over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power, a bit noisy on low power, but I can still tell what you're saying.
Roger, on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over, level crossing.
Yep, 138.9 and 142.7.
Roger on that, well that was absolutely fine, so thank you for that.
Roger, no problem. 10-10.
10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rollsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rollsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, today?
Yep, 138.9 and 142.7.
Roger on that. Well, that worked absolutely fine. So thank you for that.
Roger, no problem. 10-10.
10-10. Right, well, you sent a mic in with this, so we've been using the standard replacement mic. So we'll just go. I'll go and get the other one, like we did yesterday with the Maxcom 4E. Just test it into our walkie-talkie. Right, so it turns out it's a genuine Fidelity coffin mic, and it's lost its sleeving, which can cause a problem with strain relief. So we'll see how it works. Can't complain for 40 years old. Switching my walkie-talkie on. Pop it to channel 20. It's quicker to change the radio. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing 1 2, 1 2 1 2 1 2. That doesn't sound brilliant. So I'm just going to go back to our test mic. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Anyway, we can make all our minds up, can't we, when I go through to the base station. So I'll tell you what, we'll start off with our test mic, and then we'll go over to the factory original one. I wonder if the insert's gone a bit low gain. Anyway, nothing can be done about that, so we'll go over to the base.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity 2000 into our Midland 76900 base station on my standard replacement mic. Testing 1 2 3, let's go to low power just as a hover test. There we are on low power, doing 400 milliwatts. Testing 1 2 3, back to full power. So now we'll go over to the factory original mic, which I've got the little impression that it's low gain.
Okay, so after that, on the air test, it's back to the bench. Because Mr. Chippie, if you remember, had complained when he was outside the property that there was background noise. So on that only air test, when we go through to the base station, there is background noise. So I didn't bother putting in the second bit of the base station where we go through to the customer's original microphone. So what we've done is move back onto this. So the way they work on the Cybernet 134, I don't know whether we've got any circuits just handy. I don't think we have. But the you can tell this is Cybernet were kind of using AM ideas when they did their FM sets, because the audio IC is used as speech processing together with the chip there, which is why you've got this feedback control, which we set to kind of center, because in the European sets that's a fixed resistor. So here's the thing, if you've got PA and the audio is absolutely perfect, well, it can't be this part of the circuit. But there's a bit branches off to go to the varicap diode. It's that one is the varicap diode for the audio. That's the one for the making it work bit. That's the easiest thing to say. So I changed a couple of capacitors which are on that leg of the journey, and there's still no difference. What I did was to disconnect the resistor that feeds the varicap diode with the audio, which still had noise. So when I look underneath, we've got this electrolytic capacitor. So I changed that electrolytic capacitor. There's the old one, tacked it on the bottom, 33 microfarads, and that was what the snag was. So gone over it with isopropyl alcohol. We don't need to renew the on the air test. It was absolutely fine, apart from that little bit of noise with no transmitted audio present, just the background noise. So that's back to normal. There's a point to note, I don't even know whether that's in the service manual, whether it's an afterthought on some sets. Have we got anything to compare it with? We've usually got our broken Bantam 5-star. Where's my brow? What's this? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so we have got it underneath on the Bantam 5-star. So there we go. So what we're going to just do is make sure the deviation is still correct, because that could easily affect it. plug into the other test set. And then we'll just go back through to the base station and we'll test it with our factory original mic. We'll test it with our standard replacement mic, and then we'll test it with the customer's factory original. I don't know whether I tightened up that aerial socket, not that Mr. Chippie complained to it, but I will just do that. So that's what's delayed this set, and why the second Maxcom ended up being finished first. Just be aware of these can lose their springiness. I'll just run around it with the fiberglass brush. Right, and if we find our mic, look at the deviation on the test set behind me. It's not warmed up yet, so we'll come back to that. Okay, that should be okay. We'll just see what it says. Wow, a little bit quiet. Wallow. There we go. Making sure the mic gain, of course, is at full. Wallow. Yeah. Listen on the hand portable.
1 2 1 2, testing 1 2.
Right, we'll go to the base station and we'll be on the dummy load. So we'll start with this mic and then we'll go over to the customer supplied factory original.
Tango 21 testing the Fidelity CB2000 with the standard replacement microphone. This is at full power, 4 watts, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Pop it onto low power. There we go on low power at 400 milliwatts. There's a hum test, and then back to full power. Now we'll swap mics to the factory original. So here we are with the factory original coffin microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 at full power. Popping on low power to the hum test, and then back to full power once again. Then we have it in Fidelity 2000 Cybernet 134 radio from 1981. I think we've got a TCB1100 from CTI, so relatively modern set. Not sure what we can do with it, but we'll see. So that'll be later on.